Max? Why are you under the table? Because I'm waiting for food to drop. He's not here anymore, so I don't care. Molly, whatever you're doing, shut up. I mean, I like you. Really? Well, if you don't like me, then why are you here? Because I was first here. You won't call Casey's dad evil. Evil, yeah, right. You call my daddy evil. I'll call your mommy evil. Junior's an evil. Never is Casey. She's licking. She's letting me lick her at the moment. And stroking me, because she loves me more than you. It's called favoritism. Yeah, whatever. She's stroking me now. She's just ignoring you. Oh, you're dumb. What? Well, you're dumb. Seriously. They back at each other and argue with each other all the time. Oh, well. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Look at me back. Look. Man with him. That's why I'm supposed to be a man. Because I'm a man. I love him. I'm a man. It makes me charming and happy. Nothing of the 2 words you just said are anything to do with it. Well, I don't care if they're not to do with me. To do with buttheads. Oh, buttheads! Yeah, I like buttheads. Molly. She's such an idiot to me. What did you say? Nothing. Dogs are supersonic hearing and sniffing. I smell at your wine and you sense fear. Which was what you just said. I'll be holding towards the camera. I mean, it seems to like me. Hello. It doesn't seem to like me. Okay. Hello. Hello, camera. Hello. Okay, I'm the icon now. Hi. All you do is sniff bats all day. Bats. He sniffs bats. I don't drink soda. Soda is an American word. We're in Britain. And I'd just like to say that soda is an American word. Don't you mean pop if you want to sound common? Or, if you want to sound more posh, fizzy drinks. Anything to do with fizz is so naughty. Why is it drinking it? Well, I'm drinking soda water. Yeah, H2O. Nothing. H2O? What's H2O? See, who's the dumb one now? Oh, derp. It's water. Who didn't know? Bat face. Excuse me. I have supersonic hearing and you're less than a meter away from me. You're not even 1 meter. You're about 80 centimeters roughly. Not exactly 90 centimeters. You can't even count now. You can't even count. Look at your ratty bin. Why are you licking someone's legs? Legs are nice. You don't lick people's legs. It's weird. It's weird now, is it? Well, I'm going to go to the doctors and leave you. Leave you all. Oh, see, I come out of darkness because I'm a brave guy. He's such a bad head at times. Ow! No. Ow. You hurt an owner. You butthead. Why do you keep trying to bite him? You're a stupid dog. That's all you ever want. That's all he is, guys. Like, he just bit. He literally just bit Casey. My lovely owner. Oh, he bit Daddy. Ooh, that would be good. Okay, that wouldn't go down right. I just like to watch him. How Casey loves him still. He doesn't love me. You can tell. See, it's called begging. It's called begging, Casey. Begging, Casey. Did you get the message? God, this is so weird. Me. Maybe so overreactive, but you guys are overreacting. Why are you trying to get a piggyback? You'll just break my back anyway. Oh, that's it. You got it. You wanted it, you get it now. Oh, you like it now. Me. I don't like it actually. Get off me. No, you get off of me. No, you get off of me. Got cold. No, you get off of me. Why don't you get off of me? No, you get off of me. No, you get off of me. I'm not hurt. Why are you jumping over me? Ow! Fighting. I'm not fighting, I'm telling him off. I'm telling him off. He doesn't fight me. He doesn't fight me because I'm the boss of the world. Don't smile, shut up. I'm going outside and see if I can get away from you. Get outside. The block from sound. I'm outside in the rain. And you're inside being boring. I'm outside in the rain. It makes me a champion of the world. And you're being boring. Hee 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 hee. And you're being boring. Oh, the document is full about me now. Yay! Hi, I'm Marley. I live at 36 Crossville Lane. Well, I used to. I don't know where I live now. I don't even know the address of my house. Really? Seriously, I don't. Let's clean myself. Look away. Look away. Yeah, you will go down there. Wee. Anyway, I'm still cleaning. Because, that's what my dumb brother's doing. He's so dumb. Oh. He's so dumb. He'd be dumber than dumb. And he's dumber than the dumbest person in the world. So I guess that makes him the dumbest person in the world. But he's dumber than anyone in the whole entire universe. So I guess that makes him the dumbest person in the universe. I don't know. It depends on logic. Goodbye. Yeah, I do poo-poo. Yeah. Okay, so that's how dogs seem to react to things. Oi! Please be a bit naughty.